Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Kunestory lesithusela abaningi laphana lebesifake ku-YouTube, sifakwe Ithuleleni TV. Sasesi lona 31 losekaguquke waba ngazuthi umuntu lomdzala lona 95 ngemva kokuthi athanzane nemuntu ukufika kuleli waqala lapho kumbona waphindze wamgcina lapha kamati kokuthi wayaphi usamkhumbula lona ligama kepha sibonga akasikhumbuli nokuthi sokuhlalaphi akasamati, but uyasho ukuthi inkinga yakhe yaqala ngaleso sikhathi. Sesakasakhona ukwenda lutho, sowusetwana nguma kwakhe sobuka ngazuthi yena like she's now actually older than her mama, akakhoni kuhamba, usebenzisa nemadayipha, impilo yakhe nje ishintshile kakhulu. Uthi makahamba abantu bokubona bamtshela ukuthi lumbo meqo, bamtshela nje into letiningi ukuthi uthwasiso wesilwane, but akekho umuntu lokhonako kumsida. Abantu abaningi bakhuluma ngaso le story lapha etinkundleni zokuxhumana. Sishiya abantu abaningi banembuto leminingi because people are saying ukuthi bayaqala kuyibona into lefana nalena mabaqala ba-advertise le story lapha kubo-Facebook, kuThuleleni is-advertiser. Some people thought ukuthi it's AI into lenjena ayi-exist, but iya-exista. To see the full story ngena kuThuleleni TV usibukele le story. Nabantu baseMzansi they are reacting to the story ukuthi bona baqabangani. Comment down on the comment section, subscribe, and then next time. Goodbye.
Guys, have you seen the story of this lady? This lady, she's from Lapa Mtubatuba in KZN. She's suffering from a condition of aging, Uguga Amnan. So she was born 1995 July. She's 31 years of age. So, sisters, here's what really happened. And if you want to see the whole story, you can just go to Thuleleni TV and watch the story there. But I'll just give you a high level. So, sisters, she was working at St. Lucia back 2021, and then she met a guy from Limpopo. She did not know Uti the guy is married. And then sisters Uti, after getting into a romantic relationship with the guy, they dated, and then somehow at the later stage they had the intimacy with the guy. So whether they used the protection or not, I don't know. But they had the intimacy after having that uglalelana. Then she started feeling sick in 2022. She went to professional doctors, and then professional doctors, they told her the problem with her body, it's the genes. So she's suffering from failure of genes. So the genes from her body, they are failing. Because sisters Uti, she was having something so hot emzimbeni wakhe emchisayo ngaphakathi. She was vomiting continuously, non-stop. She was losing weight. She was so weak. Now she cannot even walk. So she even a family, they have to use ama diapers, like mom assist. At night she can't sleep. She have to asele ama painkillers. Sometimes she can even finish the pack of painkillers the whole night because she's suffering from severe pains from the body. So sisters she even went ifamily like imuse kuma traditional healers, and then ama traditional healer bamtshela ukuthi ulele nomuntu othwele or ulele nomuntu oweqiwe or ulele nomuntu othiyiwe. Like angazi understand ukuthi maybe the wife did something to the husband ukuthi when he sleeps with somebody else, and then that person abe affected, and then abanye ezinye inyanga zimtshela ukuthi no ilumbo, abanye bamtshela ukuthi njengoba ngishilo ukuthi umeqo, abanye bamtshela ukuthi no ulele nomuntu onesilwane, things like that. So there's a lot of things that she was told. So sisters, now uthi situation ekhona ukuthi before now around 2023 she started developing this thing ukuthi she was aging like ebusweni on her face. And then umntwana wakhe, the child, what mama, do you see ukuthi like uyaguga ebusweni, uguga rapidly and futhi faster than ugogo, because manje sobonakala kwangathi wena umdala kunogogo. So sisters, now the guy that she slept with, it's a guy from Limpopo by the name of Khomotso. They met St. Lucia, and then apparently the guy ngati unomuzi eStenga. So the guy is wanted because uthi they do not know uthi whether uguy aware uthi like omunye umuntu asazolala naye or asazokujola naye uzomenza the same situation. So the guy is a wanted. If you are a Khomutso from Limpopo, make sure uthi you contact Ithuleleni TV because you are a wanted person. So now the family, they are so concerned about the sisters because they are saying this condition, like it's so difficult for a family because even in a family it's like to see somebody because niyayibona before and after. A 31-year-old person abonakala kwangathi like ngugogo. Ladies, like nawe nangabe ushadile, why uthiya umuntu wakho ukuthi like nangabe uyaphuma uyangaphandle, somebody must suffer like this? It's like, guys, this story is so sad. It's so sad because apparently kuba ngathi the wife lo waseLimpopo did something because this lady uthi bambuza, how did you know ukuthi the guy is married? Uthi no, guy, I lost my phone. Before then, uguy ngibinothise ku status WhatsApp aposte umuntu wakhe, the wife and him. So that's how I noticed with no, okay, short lo muntu ushadile, and then I started stop talking to the guy, and then I lost the phone, I lost the contact. So that's why ngasakhona contactana no guy. Guys, this story is so sad. Really, it is so sad. Go to Thuleleni TV and watch the full story, guys. I don't want to scrap and stuff and just paste here on TikTok because like those guys, they are also maybe want some monetization from their side. So let's support them. Let's go and watch on YouTube the full story. But yeah, this is the full story. So let me know, Guti, what do you think about this? Yo, can you imagine? Yeah, especially this is a warning for you. And uthi abantu bamtshela ukuthi this wife, the medication or the herbs or inhlahla azisebenzisile on the husband, it's not chemicals or chemical engineering from South Africa. They are coming from outside the country. Yo, I am so sad. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about this, guys. Yo, like, wow.
Yabona lento bengingayikholwa kodwa manje ayisengiyayikholwa. Abantu bangaphandle bayawuphatha umuthi. Ngofakazi walokho. Yabona abantu bangaphandle bayawuphatha umuthi futhi baphatha lo muthi owufunayo. Usisi uthandana nomuntu wangaphandle, umuntu wangaphandle umenzeni asazi, uvele nje wamshintsha, wavela usisi wawugogo nje, wavela waguga. Asazi nibathanda abantu bangaphandle nithi bayikhipha imali, banothando, banayo yonke lento enidingayo thina sinayo. Kulungileke umuntu nomuntu wezinto akayithandayo ngesikhathi akasithandayo. Kodwa kubhlungu khona mase kunje ayikubuhlungu bakwethu. Ngiyabeza bathi uyalunga. Kuningi nje nikukhuluma kuma comment alama video apostiwe. Bafethu lento ibhlungu. Cabanga nje usisi una 31 wango 95. But last ungathi uno 84, 85, 86, uno 89, uno 91 la ngapha. Ingane le ina 31. Iyathanda nomuntu wangaphandle. Umuntu wangaphandle uvele wamloya. Bawuphatha abantu bangaphandle imithi, bayingozi impela emthini. Futhi imithi abayiphathayo impela yile usuku ufuna ukwenzeke lento oyifunayo. Mina ukuze la ngabona khona abantu bangaphandle bawuphatha umuthi. Ngabona kulimala usisi wami ngokwa-2017 edujuliwe, ngabona ukuthi abantu bangaphandle bawuphatha umuthi. Umuthi wokulungisa leso simo sawulanda eMozambique. Sawulanda eMozambique specially kuphuthuma kushesha. So uyazi labantu bangaphandle mangakusela ngabo, mina ngabona into la sasiyakhona. Yazi mfethu, yazi umuntu lo kwenzeka exactly lento oyifunayo. Ngikhuluma abantu bangaphandle bafethu. Abantu bangaphandle mawuhamba yena. Yabona mawuhamba yena kwenzeka exactly lento oyifunayo. Lento sukuyifuna ukuthi ngifisa ukuthi kube kanje. Kube kanje, kube kanje, kube kanje, kube kanje. uzokutshela ukuthi awungangibhadari. Now umuthi hamba uyenze lento uhamba wenze 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Mawusi lento leyo ifunayo mayisiyenzakalile ulethe imali yami engaka. Thina sahamba sale sabuya nawo umuthi asibhadaranga kodwa kwathi mase kuqala isimo seshintsha kwenzeka exactly lento lena esasiyifunile ukuthi yenzeke. Ngizama ukunibonisa ukuthi abantu bangaphandle ba dangerous ngomuthi. Cabanga mfethu kuyaqala umlando. Angani noma ngizothi umlando or yini kuyaqala ngqa. Hlezi abantu sibabona abantu benenkinga yokusetshenzwa ngemithi but le ngiyayiqala bakwethu. Ngiyayiqala. Ngizwile impela istory sakhe ekhulumela evidweni echaza noma wakhe usisi ugugu okudlula uma wakhe manje. Ugugu okudlula uma wakhe manje noma ngakho akazi ukuthi uzothi nanengane ididekile mdala mayivele washintsha nje wamdala. Labantu bayawazi umuthi futhi mawufuna ukubona kahle ukuthi umuthi bayawuphatha. Indawo engingakutshela zona eziphatha umuthi abantu baseMalawi nabantu baseMozambique labantu bayawuphatha umuthi mase kulandela ke abaseZimbabwe kodwa abantu abazokuphathela umuthi mawufuna umuthi shona eMozambique ubuye nomuthi owufuna kwenzeke exactly lento oyifunayo. Kodwa kokwini lotho awukho uNkulunkulu wamwazi ukuthi umxolisi uthe yaso eMozambique sofuna umuthi okwini lotho. Cha awangikwazi ngawuzwa loyo kodwa nje isimo salo sisi sibhlungu kakhulu. Uyabona futhi mayithe mayiphatha umuntu wangaphandle link umuntu wangaphandle ngathi ayikufanele. Mina ngeke ngaye eMozambique. Kufanele. Hey labantu banzima emthini. Abantu banzima emthini. Banzima emthini. Singeke ke bodadewethu size sinikhuze kubathandeni. Ngeke futhi size sinilawule sinitshela ukuphilani kanjani. Umuntu nomuntu uphila ngendlela afisa ukuphila ngayo kodwa kubhlungu phela mase sibona seninje. Kubhlungu ngempela bakwethu. Labantu bayawuphatha umuthi. Labantu bayawuphatha umuthi. Yebo siyabaxosha impela ukuthi ababuyele ngako kodwa emthini ayikhohlwani bafana. Labantu bayawazi umuthi. Mina ngabona isimanga. Ngabona isimanga mina. Mina ngabona likhulu. Ngabona likhulu futhi namanje ngeke ngikhohle lento engayibona. Angikwazi kodwa ukuyixoxa kodwa nje hayi. Labantu umuthi bayawazi, labantu umuthi bayawuphatha. Bayawazi umuthi, bayawuphatha. Mawuhambe bona uyisoli. Kwenzeka exactly lento oyifunayo. Leyo usuku wena uyifuna ukuthi ngifuna kwenzeke 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 kuzokwenzeka. Noma mfowethu kungenzakalani kuzokwenzeka. Lo bafethu labantu bawuphatha umuthi. Yabona abantu ngiyakuthatha. Ngusa kuloya baba. Ungabuye udelile. Labantu bayawazi umuthi. So nje lesimo sibhlungu angisifiseli umuntu. Sibhlungu. Cabanga lo muntu abanye abantu abakakhola basathayi umdlalo lo ayikho lento le. Lento ikhona ngempela. Serious bafethu. Yo. Hayi.
Bafethu niyaphina. Ake ngizokhuluma ngale ndaba kalosisi lo. Bafethu aniziphathe kahle. More especially abantu besifazane. Because ebantwini besilisa kurare etholakala ethandana nomuntu wangaphandle. Asinilawuli. Ninezathu zenu enishoyo. Baphana ngemali, banothando, abachithi, kusho nina. Abachithi banento yabenkulu. Alright. Buka manje. This is more painful. Ibhlungu leto le. Ibhlungu uyusika lo muntu angiboni ukuthi mhlambe khona indawo la kubhlungu khona but okubhlungu kakhulu ukuthi awukwazi ukuthi ungathi una 31 you look like more than 90. Yes. And ibhlungu leyanto ibhlungu ingekho obhlungu kangaka ukuthi mhlambe kunento physical ebhlungu ayizwayo sisi. For the fact that mayibuka isithombe sakhe ebuka leyanto esibukweni angeke ezehile. Never. Ngeke. Ngiyaqala ukuthi kube khona umuntu ona 31 obukeka ngale ndlela. And ngizophinda mina ngisho hlukanani nabantu bangaphandle banemali kusho nini banayo yonke lento eniyifunayo iproblem bazonilimaza yabo azonilimaza kodwa ke bafowethu ngoba ke asinamazwi thina yabo asinayo imali yabo asinazo lezi zinto ezinkulu ekukhulunywa ngazo bayosinda bayosilalela nabayokhetha thina bayosinda bathi asinilawuli kulungile
kanti i-one night stand yaseLimpopo injani uma igugisa umuntu so lo sesilo uthi wathandzana nalomnye umjitha walapha eLimpopo bathi ngikatleho uthi baba ne-one night stand wampeyita and then waguga waba so una 31 years mncane walapha eKZN perhaps wow uthi ufuna lisito left right and center bambuta ukuthi lokahleho wabani uthi sibongo sakhe akasathi ukhohlwe nesibongo ngandlela bekubhizi ngayo lelalanga le-one night stand bathi no ngona sikuthathe sihambe sofuna Katleho maybe ungathola lisithi uthi no Katleho angazangiside ngiyabona ukuthi Katleho kunento lo wamenda yona sisi kunento lo wamkhomba yona wamkhomba sipoko uyabona ngiyagulwa la ngaphandle akusikahle la ngaphandle enelo sesilo uguliswa into lo yenda onke malanga wena yena one night stand hawu wathi nakalahla umthwalo kwalahleka ifuture yakhe kwalahleka abusha bakhe njengoba sombona lungile so le one night stand injani umpeyito lonjani lo upeyita umuntu abe so perhaps wow yini leni ikhothako lapha eLimpopo lapho lekhona ukuthi ishwabanise abantu kangaka umhlubu umthelo perhaps wow cela nemside shem
bambana amabele yo yazi ngihleli lapha ngiyacabanga ngizama ukuthola ikhambi ngizama ukucabanga ukuthi konje yini engenziwa noma umkhuleko yini nje engenziwa yazi bafethu ungcono kuthiwa mhlambe yiso bathambe kuthiwa iso liyalenga noma mhlambe kuthiwa hlepha umlomo noma kuthiwa mhlambe ushwabanile noma kushintsha isikhumba ubantwa nje into eyodwa mhlambe ephazamisekile ubantwa nje mhlambe into eyodwa nje ephazamisene mathiwa mhlambe akaye toilet uthiwa kwazi ukuthi inansi into ekuzodilwa nayo manje angiyazi lento mina ukuthi kuzokwenziwa kanjani esimeni esifana nalesi noma kumele kutholakala umenzi abulawa ayibo ayikho phela lento.
Let me just talk about it just a little bit. Ake ngithinte le ndaba. Let's just forget about whatever that we saw and lento lesizwile. Let's just talk about le ndaba le. This is so heartbreaking, but as a spiritual man sekukhona la ngifisa ukunibhulela khona ama-file ukuthi how do you get to this stage? Ngifuna ukuni-understandisa ukuthi lento umuntu ufika kanjani kuyona. I want to make you understand today because ngiyazi ukuthi lento abanye abantu bacabanga ukuthi hayi manga lento into engekho. Okay, kungenzeka ukuthi mhlambe a story that has been made up, but futhi kungenzeka ukuthi it's a truth story. And khona into engifisa ukuthi nginikhumbuze yona. There was once an incident yosisi owaya kwi-channel ethile wayo disclose ukuthi uke wavelelwa inkinga whereby laphana walala nomuntu waseZimbabwe for isikhathi eside wazala ingane entathu if I can recall. Uma ngabe sehamba eseya eZimbabwe ethi uyobona kubo babwengane bafe bathi hayibo lo muntu okhuluma ngaye kade ashona samncwaba kudala ngama-90s waba buhlungu lwasisi because umuntu ade mthinta elala naye every day kanti umuntu onga-exist. I want to tell you a danger of dating a foreigner, how one day you'll be in danger. Laba bantu bale eZimbabwe noma eNigeria noma bako Maputo noma kuphi, they are too good lezi zinto lezi spiritual too much. more especially lezi witchcraft nalezi zemali nani. Most of ama foreigners nabantu othola ukuthi bayasebenza la bangomakhenika bayina, they are not real human beings. So I want to explain this, how to get to those. Kunalokhu even eBhayibhelini kuthiwa ama fallen angels. They are not real human beings. Yes, you can meet with them, you can touch them, shake hands with them, sleep with them, have sex with them, but they are not human beings. They are made beings. They are not human beings. They are made beings to go and collect money somewhere. That's why abanye babakhanda babe ama prostitutes, abanye babakhanda babe yini, abanye babakhanda. So laba kusuke kuvuswe umuntu olele emathuneni avuswe straight. Imindeni eminingi from if you know Nigeria, then you can know what I'm talking about, because this is also happening also close to Ghana, go Benin. I want to tell you, I heard one day I was speaking with the people in Lelongobangai court case, and many people were like, I love to tata my chance. Lendo gutumundu ya ematune nebsu, ayo vusu mundu. Umundu ya vuga literally. Avuke ahamba ukwenza lento isho. So ama foreigners, ama Nigeria big time, ayayenza leyo nto leyo because I understand. So they normally wake up people and deport them bawubafaka ema-countryni ahlukahlukene. Labo bantu labo basebenze kuleyo ndawo bathatha inceba yakhona, naye njengoba esebenza imali akuyona yakho uyayithatha ithutha ayiphinisele ekhaya. That is why most of them uphila nabo nobashada nowenzani bagcina bephelele emoyeni ungazi ukuthi ingane yoyisaphi, kanti this was not an existing person. Ngisho ungakhuluma nomalume laba exhumanise nabo bagcina nabo kuwa abantu abaphelele emoyeni because abakaze baba abantu abangama human beings. Khona labantu ekuthiwa ama fallen angels, and the land ekuthiwa ama fallen angels is does exist. Monga understand ibhlungu because mhla ikubamba, that's where you'll understand. Mhla ibamba owakini, that's where you understand. Kunabantu abafe before their time, not because bebulawa a natural death. Umuntu wesifazana akhala athi kunento engihamba mase yathula. Nonke niyazibuza yini le kade ethi yamhamba kanti she met with a fallen angel. I-fallen angel yafika kuthatha ukuphila kwakhe nesoul yakhe ngaphakathi. That's how these animals they work like. Iyafana lento nama aliens, but they are not real aliens, but they are like aliens. They are like human beings, but they are not human beings. Yes, they are spirit, they look as human beings, but they are here for a ritual. That's why it's come. Let me talk about fallen angels. This thing, Yama fallen angels, you are going to understand it tonight, and it's very painful. Yama fallen angels. Let me get deep to it. I know somebody's not ready to hear this, but I have to let you know this. Agbona bantu, most of them, they are spirit beings that are created by Bona Abanbase Nigeria, by Bona Abanbase Benin. And this is deep because then we understand until you become a spiritual man. Here we understand. Ngiyakutshela mina take it to yonke inyanga noma emthatha umusa enyangeni yase Nigeria noma angeke izimsize ngeke imlekelele. The soul is taken long time, and remember, once you sell your soul you'll never get it back. That's why noma ubamba cell phone mawukhuluma nabantu bangaphandle, it's not good to always say yes to whatever that they are saying, because they can trap your soul into a jar or anything ngale ngathi ulibela uthi yes. That's why akufanelanga ube uvuma zonke. The reason why I do that is because I'm avoiding me saying yes. I don't want to say that. I don't. And many people, they don't understand why I always say yeah. Because angifuni ukuthi yes. Angikhulume ngale nto le. Let me talk about this. So, even today, most ladies, they cannot have a job. They cannot have visible. Some of you are really in this life, but are born. You live and die without having a job, without having money in your hands, without having a house, without having anything, because usulale now, lama fallen angels. Lama fallen angels, they are very dangerous. Are dangerous, ama fallen angels. Once they have found you, you are not going to escape. How do you get to this? This becomes like an initiation. The time ulala naye, and most of them, they love the rough sex, and they have a dick that is too much abnormal than the normal one, and that's why yona igcina isikulimaza kanti vele idinga leliya gazi for a sacrifice, because isex iba a sacrifice. Yabona-ke manje sengifuna ukukhuluma izinto edip. That's le nto yokuhamba ulala igcina ikulahle kusela ngeglory yakho. That's why I always talk with people. Mina, I don't care no matter how many times they work like. Iyafana le nto nama-aliens, but they are not real aliens, but they are like aliens. They are like human beings, but they are not human beings. Yes, they are spirit, they look as human beings, but they are here for a ritual. That's why isikhathi esiningi mawulala nabo labantu bangaphandle usala namaphunga amabi angalapheki, uphathwa izinto eziningi ngaphansi esinyeni sakho nasesibelethweni. Why? It is because these things vele they are ritual, they are taking something from you. Bakhona abantu besifazane abaphila nesimele even today, banukisa okwezindla. Ngathi nje feel, yes, lo muntu lona uphile ngathi unenje feel ngaphakathi. So ngivumela ukuthi ngichazele ukuthi what really happened. In the story of Usis, I can share with you how does this happen. Uyabona yena uthola ukuthi yena this thing that is called a fallen angel ahlangane nayo wametha nayo bekungayena umuntu real. Bekuyiyo lento engikhuluma ngayo kuthiwa i-fallen angel. Lento iyakhona ukuthi uma uqeda kulala nomuntu imbulala ubuyena ishiye lo mdala ophuma ethuneni bese iyahamba yona. Yabo njengoba kanje uthothi isalukwazi lesi esasivusiwe saba umkhovu, and sona sesiphila kule shell kasisi, and sona kuyasho ukuthi akusasi umuntu existayo. Asikho isangoma ayikho inyanga akekho umfundisi ozokhona ukulapha lo sisi akekho. The only thing efana athazenzele ukuyirepentela alindele usuku lakhe, because akekho umuntu ongamsetha free from this. If you think I'm lying or joking, lento ngiyazi ngeke ifike kahle mangathi ivideo ibonwa amalungu omndeni, but there is absolutely no one who can be able to help. That's why mangabe bekutshela before time is over, pay attention. Siyazi ukuthi ulele nayo uAbdul and uHappy, but pay attention. It might never be a human being lo naye lapha endlini. Noma ungaba naye nabantwana abathathu nani, but it might not be a human being. Kanjengomama ungathi uthi nomama lokade ephuma la ethi nginengane neNigeria konke kuyaphela imoto umile nani. Most of them, they can have materials, hotels and everything, but the day kuhamba bona, that's the day when uzosala nje